if one, so mo ang requirements no, so mo to siya tanang ang requirements. Then before that guys, kasi gusto mo guidance, so these are actually the personal teaching philosophy prompts kung gusto mo mag-acquire. Naghalit nanay, pwede sa mo maka-access sa kwan any kind of search engines in the social media. So the first, the basic, dahil na siya. Pero lagi, you can make your own, isang walay guide for all of this things. Sir, guide the question. So, pag ino lang mo, ganahan mo tayo send ang mga prompts for that. Pero as in, you can really make your own. Make it beautiful as creative. Okay? Yes, kailangan ko mag-lani-lani dito na magbasa for all of your opinions regarding sa mga lani. So, that would be all. But before that, now may one, like, there's something confusion, pero personal teaching philosophy na ginagawa. So if there's something confusion, violent reactions, or questions that you want to raise this time, okay, I'd like to answer all of the questions, confusions, and everything. So naa. Buwan na lang. Di ba ka na ba deadline ng buwan? Deadline na. Narrative report. Di ba ka na ba exam? After lang ba sa exam? May Monday ma. Kailangan mo bigyan ko. Okay. So sa question, wala